back, everybody. It's been a while since we've done one of these. We are heading to Wyoming, cow elk hunting. Our brother picked us up at about 2:50 this morning. We got a little bit of a drive to go.
One, two, three. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, shining over river. Life is old here, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia.
Alright, everybody, it's the next day. We got camp up. We got the tent set up last night and we finished setting up camp today. We got the shower house. Our friends Wayne and Cotter went out this morning. They found a nice deadhead, and Wayne shot a cow, so they know where that is. So we went and got a bunch of firewood. Once we're done splitting firewood, we're gonna go look for that cow. Alright, made it back to camp. Nobody shot anything tonight. Saw a few, heard a couple bulls bugle. We got a nice wood stove cooking up. We have a premium supper of halibut, fresh elk steaks from the cow we shot this morning, and fried potatoes. Probably one of the best meals I have ever eaten. So I think we're gonna sit down and eat here pretty soon, and then discuss where we're all going and splitting up tomorrow. So I will keep you guys posted in the morning. Alright, so we sat down maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and when we sat down we had 2 mule deer run 10 yards behind us. Then god dang, then we were sitting there for a little bit and I was joking around with Wayne about a squirrel, and I turn around and she's standing, what, 25 yards in front of us. So I get his attention, shoot it. She runs about 30 yards.
Yeah. Nice shot, right where you needed to.
So
Got her done. First time to Wyoming, first time elk hunting.
yeah. Well, Wayne,
Now the work begins.
Yes, it does.